Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw a submarine. For this drawing we'll need colored pencils black, gray, light blue, light orange, and dark orange. But Pixelers, you can use any colors you like for this drawing. This drawing is 23 squares tall by 30 squares wide. We'll start with the black pencil. Skip 10 squares from top to bottom. And on the 11th square, mark 4 squares vertically. Up to the right, mark 1. Down to the right, mark 1. Down and to the right, mark 2 vertically. From this square to the right, mark 2 horizontally. From this square, down and to the right, mark 1. Up to the right, mark 1. From this square, up to the right, mark 2 horizontally. From this square up, mark 3 vertically. Up and to the right, mark 1. Up and to the right, mark 3 horizontally. From this square, up, mark 4 vertically. Up and to the right, mark 4 horizontally. From this square, up, mark 1. From this square, down, mark 2 vertically. From this square to the left, mark 2 horizontally. From this square, down, mark 2 vertically. From this square to the right, mark 4 horizontally. Down and to the right, mark 1. Down and to the right, mark 4 vertically. From this square to the right, mark 9 horizontally. From this square to the right, mark 1. Down and to the right, mark 3 horizontally. Down and to the right, mark 2 diagonally. Down and to the right, mark 3 vertically. In this line, count 2 from top to bottom, and to the right, mark 5 horizontally. In this this line, count 2 from left to right, and above, mark 3 vertically. Up and to the right, mark 1. Down and to the right, mark 3 vertically. In this line, count 2 from left to right and below mark 3 vertically. Down and to the right, mark 1. Up and to the right, mark 3 vertically. From this square, down and to the left, mark 3 vertically. Down and to the right, mark 2 diagonally. Down and to the right, mark 3 horizontally. Down and to the right, mark 1. From this square, down and to the left, mark 2 diagonally. Down and to the left, mark 3 horizontally. Down and to the left, mark 1. From this square, down and to the right, mark 11 horizontally. From this square, skip 2 squares down and mark 1. Down and to the left, mark 2 diagonally. Down and to the right, mark 2 diagonally. Up and to the right, mark 2 diagonally. Up and to the left, mark 1. From this square, skip 1 square to the right and mark 1. Down and to the right, mark 2 diagonally. Up and to the right, mark 2 diagonally. Up and to the left, mark 2 diagonally. Down and to the left, mark 1. From this square, skip 1 square to the right and mark 1. Up and to the right, mark 2 diagonally. Down and to the right, mark 2 diagonally. Down and to the left, mark 2 diagonally. Up and to the left, mark 1. Now, let's color all the squares we marked. I want to invite you to join the Pixeler Club. To do that, simple, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Easy as that. Next, we'll use the gray pencil to color these areas. Take the light blue pencil to color the windows of our submarine. With the light orange pencil, we color these parts. In the upper corner, you'll find a link to my pixel art drawing channel in Spanish, where you discover hundreds of designs. And if you don't speak Spanish, no problem, every video has subtitles. Take the darker orange pencil to color the propeller. And this is how our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. Comment below if you've ever seen a submarine. Some pixelers follow me on Instagram have seen one because I sometimes share them in my stories when I spot one. Thank you so much, pixelers, for joining me in this new video. Sending you a big hug and lots of love from my pixelated heart and Paito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!